Hey everyone, today I'm coming at you with a very requested video, but I'm gonna let y'all know it's going to be boring. This is my 2023 planner setup. So, I mentioned somewhere, I think maybe in the video that I release this planner, that I probably will still keep black as like my filming planner, like as far as like keeping them in here, but whenever I transfer my finished half of year, because I only put 6 months in each planner, I will transfer it into this beautiful Pretty in Pink planner. It is an SPCedit by PrintPression. It is in the shop currently. And yeah, so I just like for filming the black because I feel like with the contrast of the white and then the white of the paper, it's just really, really nice to see the colors for filming. But when the first 6 months are done of 2023, I will move everything into this planner. So that's kind of the the prequel to the story. So this is the planner. I haven't done anything to her yet. So we're going to go ahead and take out the protective cardstock, and also the journaling card that comes with it is a I think this was the 6-year anniversary or 7-year. It was planner piece, and this just looks good in both the Princess and Pretty in Pink pockets, and it came with both of them. So let's go ahead and go through everything that I brought out. The first thing that I have here is the inserts that I am using. This is the SPC vertical A5 wide inserts, and I designed these with Kane to be my planner piece inserts, and a lot of y'all love them too. So I have been using these I think for a year now, and I am in love with them. So let me show you what they look like. This is the just blank spread. There's nothing in the bottom wash area, nothing in the sidebar, nothing in the date covers. So just a blank slate, but it's everything that you need to do a spread. If you watch my plan with me's, this is what I use, and they are perfection. I don't plan on ever using any other inserts. The paper quality is super nice. It's thick but not too thick. It's buttery if you actually wanted to write on these, which I don't, but if you wanted to write on these, they are the perfect paper, and they are also bright white. I am obsessed with that because I do use date covers, and I just don't like the way they look in the paper that is not the bright white. So I'm using the PrintPression inserts. I'm going to link everything that I'm using down below. Let's go ahead and move to the front. The front here, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I usually try and buy some things for the planner, but honestly, I just forgot to buy things. So I went through my stash, which is sometimes just as nice to do so, and I found these. So this is an Aura Estelle vellum, and I just thought it was really cute. I don't know if she still has these, but it's UV printed, so it's on a matte, thick vellum with the UV printing blossom print, which I do love the blossom print. So I thought that that would give this a little bit of texture. And then I found this quote. I'm pretty sure this is from Little Miss Allie Prints. I don't know if she's still doing her shop, but this is just so cute. And I thought this would be really nice. And if I decide to, which I did order some glitter paper, it's just not here yet. Let me show you. If I put a color underneath this, I think it would be really, really pretty. So if I do a glitter color underneath it, I think that would just kind of you could see the pattern more versus it being on white. But yeah, I just really like this quote. Honestly, it was the only one that I had left that isn't in use. So I'm just going to put that in there. So I do have the dividers from PrintPression. I am not going to be using the top tab ones, but I am going to use the side tabs since there are 6 of them. And then I'm also going to use this as a page lifter. I do need to take off all of the protective coverings real quick because I haven't done that yet. Okay, I forgot how therapeutic that was. But I got all of the protective coverings off. There's some of the rogue dots, but we'll get those as we go. So yeah, I'm gonna use these this year because I think it would be nice to have just for flipping through my planners after I'm finished. And you might be thinking, but Andrea, you don't use a monthly. How is this gonna work? Well, my thought process here is you could totally do it that this is in the middle of a spread. But for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sacrifice a week. I'll show you. So the first, it's so hard to see these. The first divider is gonna be January, so we're gonna go ahead and plop her in. And then I do have the little, what are these called? Tabs. And I guess it doesn't matter which way we put them on. I'm gonna use the gold ones because I feel like it matches the coil, and that's kind of the look I'm going for, and I'm just going to plop this down. So January, and then for example, let's say we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of January. Not sure exactly how it goes, but then I'll just put this in, and then I'll probably double side sticky, which if you have a monthly, you could totally put this before the monthly. I just think that it'd be nice to have them both double-sided taped on, and then whenever you flip, it's like this would be January, this would be February. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these on, but I'll just continue talking to you versus doing a speed through. Yeah, I am just so excited for the new year, and I'm very excited to be doing this. I'm just going to randomly place these, honestly, just so I don't forget about them, because I feel like if I have them somewhere else, I am going to forget and then never place them where they need to be. I might actually go through, because I just feel like I'm not the brightest sometimes, and I would totally mess this situation up. So what I might actually do is pull out my calendar and figure out like when these actually go, and just go ahead and double side sticky tape them, and just maybe even just put the dates like with a sticky note or something, just so I know that I'm not messing up. That's like whenever I do the like the kit organizers, I always like do them in like one. I never make more than one for the most part, because if I mess it up, I don't want to like, if I mess up, like let's say I did 2 of them, if I mess up one of them, then I mess up the second one. So I always like give myself, I just always don't trust myself basically. So that's basically what I'm thinking with this, is that I don't want to do too much. I just want to, does this make any sense? Am I making any sense? Somebody's got to know what I'm talking about. All right, so then I'm just going to go ahead and put these away actually, because I don't need them. But like, look how pretty that looks. January, February, March, April, May, June. Perfect. Beautiful. Let me give you a little better angle here. I'm in love. And Kane has these in like all the foil colors and black, so you got plenty of options. Also, whenever you buy this planner, it does come with a 5-week sample SPC edition planner filler. So if you haven't tried out the SPC PrintPression inserts, if you buy one of these planners, if you bought one, it came with one of these. So perfect way to try out basically a month for free. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and figure out the exacts of where these should be, but I just kind of want to get the vibes for now. And I might also get different like front inserts, but also I'm kind of thinking that I like that I went through and like found something in my stash for here. I did also pull out a journaling card, because the idea that I have for this like pocket setup is I was going to have like a journaling card, something pretty over here. And then in the back, when the year is over or the half year is over, I'm going to go through and pick out maybe my favorite picture of the kids, and then a picture of me and Nick or something. Or like, let's say I have a cute friend picture. Like I might actually put the one I took at Lila's party with Amanda, Hannah, and Kirsten, and put that there, and then do a picture of my kids down here. Or I actually have a good family Christmas picture. I might do that for my end of 2022 planner, because I think that that'd be really, really cute, especially because one of my like resolutions was to prioritize like friendships and things more. I think that'd be cute to have. And then I also have these from Planet Hannah. I requested these. These are large years, so you could get these for anything. If you scrapbook, if you want to have them on your planner, you could put them here, you could put them there. If you have boxes you store your planners in, you could put them on the outside. You could do anything with these, but I was thinking for these, and I got mine to say 2023 in gold, and she was like, you didn't say what font you wanted, so I just figured this one, which is probably the one I would have picked. And I just want to have this on here somewhere, so that because whenever I feel like I'm a mess, but this is just the way I am, y'all. So whenever I was going through and doing my planner archives, I was like, I don't know what year this is without like, especially with the coil ones, I was like trying to like look under stickers to see what the year was, because I don't have it written anywhere. So whenever I open these planners, I want to know for sure what year it is. I don't have to go through and guess, because realistically there's no year on any of them once I switched to Kane's inserts. So I just wanted to have something like, I could have put it, you know, on the front here, but I really like the idea of just sticking it on here. Actually, that might be cute. Do we like it like that? Like this, maybe like on the moon, or just down here. I just feel like it's very classic. I think that balances out like the goldish color. Do I want to like trim it to be like more in the corner, or just like put it like that? I think I want to trim it a little. You trim her a bit. But you can get these in any foil too and say any year. So I do plan to go back and get one for each of even my coil planners, because I just want to be able to open them, like I said, or even like, you know, God forbid something happens to me and my kids get my planners, you know, they can without a doubt go through them and be like, oh, this was mom's planner in 2020. So like, how perfect is that? And now I know 2023, January through June. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's everything. And then realistically, you know, I'm set up. But I was like looking through the stuff that I have, and I got these at a local, like a bazaar. You can buy them on luxcups.com. I've actually bought from this shop online before too. I'm pretty sure they're Austin or Houston or something in Texas. I don't know. But anyways, they're just little animal cookies that are dinosaurs, but these remind me of the kids. And I wanted, this pink is a little bit different than the pink of the planner. Totally could use them. But I kind of wanted to just put these in the pockets because I thought they were so funny. Like, just like that. And that's literally it. Will I keep those there? I'm not sure. But if I don't keep them here, I'm going to just stick them on this. Actually, I might just do that and then do all of them on here because then it kind of breaks it up. I might do that. And then I think I might do this, and then I got an idea. I like this because I think that the pockets don't need anything. I feel like they're just beautiful the way they are. They don't need any introduction. I think I might do that. And then since we're doing the gold theme and we have the blossom here, I have these in my stash. I don't think these are available anymore, but I'm going to take these and stick them all around it. Ugh! To match the blossom. If you have those, great idea, in my opinion. So, it would be cute also to do, we have like the large like power copper and Mickey heads, or you can even take, if you have any extra 15 millimeter bottom washi, like hearts, stars, bows, you could cut up a 15 millimeter bottom washi and stick those around. Let's go ahead and do it real quick. Let's make this video a little bit thicker. Are these clear or are they white? I don't even know. I think they're white. Yeah, they're white. Oh, so cute. Never really even thought to put like a little like logo, what are they called? URL on the bottom. This is adorable. I highly suggest this. We do have like, you could take like a sticker pack from our shop and do the same thing. I'm sure if y'all big SPC fans, you have a lot of vinyls laying around. I am like a vinyl addict. There's is it Wish Upon a Star? I probably have the most vinyls from. They're on Etsy. Let's do that down, and then we'll do these larger deco pieces. But I have so many vinyls from them that I could also do. Like I could have did a Disney one, but I just think these little animal crackers. My kids are loving animal crackers recently, and my kids also love dinosaurs. They don't love dinosaurs as much as they used to, but I love dinosaurs as well. So, did y'all see the trailer for the new Adam Driver movie that is like dinosaurs in it? Because I have not wanted to go see it. It looks a little suspenseful, like there might be some jump scares, but I have not been so like, Nick, we need to go see this movie in a long time. Probably gonna go see Avatar too, but other than that, I don't really have any. Oh, and the Barbie movie. Me and Hannah are going to go to that. But other than that, I don't really ever have any real wants to go to the movies anymore. But the Adam Driver movie looks good. Like, how cute is that? Okay, you barely see. Come on. Come on. Isn't that cute? I could pull out another one and maybe put one here and, like, here. But also kind of think it's just cute the way it is. So, that, my friends, is my entire setup. I just think this planner, I really do love. If you look back at my other setups, I have some like real intense pocket game on some of them, but it takes so much work and collecting so many things, and I'm just too tired and old for it. So I just thought whenever I came up with this idea of doing the windows to be able to fit all those journaling cards, because I don't know about y'all, but I have like over 50 journaling cards, and that was with me paring down. I don't know if that video came out yet, or if it's coming. I think it's came out already, but I did like a journaling card declutter, and y'all, so many journaling cards, don't know what to do with them, but this is the perfect way. But also, if you don't have journaling cards, You can either like buy art from like Etsy where they sell like the digitals and like make your own like printable cards, or you could even do 4x6 photos. They fit perfectly on here. And then same thing, like you could do 4x6 photos and just trim them. I think it's like an inch for these, and like you literally have a full setup with 3 little cards. It's so easy. Or you could take some scrapbook paper. You could take pictures from magazines. You could take whatever you desire and stick it in here, and 3 things you got to spread. But also you could use them functionally. You could put regular sticker sheets in them. I just think it's genius. And then, like I said, we have our little vellum, another vellum. We got some stickers on these dividers with our divider labels that are in gold from PrintPression. And then my inserts that are from PrintPression. And then for these, what I'll do is I'll literally just take my glue runner. Got these on Amazon. It's Tombow. It's permanent adhesive. Do a little X. And I'll stick it. Stick it, and then it'll literally, my hair included, be a little divider. Perfection. I'll probably wait to like stick them until the spread's done, just because I don't know if I want to have this. I don't even write on my spreads, so who knows. Anyways, that is everything. Let me know if you're also using the Pretty in Pink for 2023. Tag me in your setup pictures because I want to see what y'all are doing. I actually really like this with the dinosaurs in the background. Savage. Dinosaurs. Perfect. That is everything. I hope y'all like this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. But I am so excited to put my inserts in here. It's so cute. Let me know if you want to see me do setups for my number 1 2022 and my number 2 2022 planners, because I could totally do that. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in my next video.